The silence of the control room was suddenly broken by a signal on the display screen, creating an atmosphere of concern. A formation of a depression could be seen over the Southeast Arabian Sea. A chain of cyclone detection radars installed along the Indian coastal belt confirmed Biporjoy the Calamity with an accumulated cyclone energy of 23.6 square knots is fast approaching. Biparjoy was expected to head towards Gujarat and likely to make landfall between Mandvi in Kutch district and Karachi in Pakistan, with winds gusting to 145 kilometers per hour, more severe than Fani or Amphan. Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways understood the gravity of the situation and immediately came into action with Union Minister MoPSW Shri Sarbananda Sonowal, held a meeting with senior officials as well as Gujarat government to review the preparedness to minimize loss for the ensuing cyclone Biparjoy. The Directorate General of Shipping under MoPSW started sending regular alerts and advisory to all stakeholders in the region, including ports, ships, maritime boards, OISD, as well as fisheries, through its 24/7 working control rooms. As an established safety measure for the persons on board at drill ship Sagar Vijay, after assessing the expected route of VSCS Biporjoy, the final evacuation of personnel from the drill ship was completed on the 6th of June. Kandla Port Authority were quick to come into action. Successive meetings for preparedness to deal with cyclone. 3 control rooms were set up at the Gandhi Dham since 11 June. Around 3,000 people living in the port area and other low-lying areas around it were evacuated and shifted to relief shelters. The rest of the shelters, with the capacity to accommodate 5,000 to 6,000 persons, was being set up at Gopalpuri colony. All necessary items like drinking water, food packets, medical support, etc. are being organized and kept at this shelter. And life goes on within a span of less than 24 hours of Biparjoy. DP has started the process of restoring normalcy of dock operation.